So when people say they have a deviated septum, people say that all the time, and you'll see it, right? The septum is a piece of cartilage that's on top of the vomer. I'm not going to waste time trying to find it, but it's a piece of cartilage that's attached to the vomer on the very top like that. Okay? So what do? They go and do surgery. They separate that cartilage, they realign it somehow, and the person still has problems. The reason why is because they moved the cartilage, they didn't move the bone, right? And I wouldn't want a surgeon to move that bone anyway because they're going to cut it. They're going to cut that bone, okay? So when folks have these kinds of issues and they get the surgery for a deviated septum, they move that piece of cartilage, but the bone is still in the wrong place, and all the other bones are still in the wrong place as well. They have cranial imbalance, and that's why they have breathing issues. So surgeries like that very often have success at the beginning, and then they fail completely. So you can look at the research and inform your patients, look, we can do this. Yeah, it's gonna be a little uncomfortable, but I've had it done to me. That's always a comforting thing. And we can try to fix the cranium and try to fix these bones so that we're actually fixing the problem, okay? So there's the vomer. So you have your finger in here, and you're gonna press medially for the vomer.